Do you want to hear a really good story? Yeah? Meow. I'm a cat. Kitten book. I'm afraid of Miss Goose and must climb on something high. I'm glad she can run fast and hopes he cannot fly. 1988. I'm a goose. Meow, meow. Get away. Meow, meow. Get over here. Mother Puss and her kitten. Meow, meow. Playing with a ball. Oh, I want to get that ball. When you get done with that ball? Meow, meow. Look at these pussies from far Japan. One has a sunset and one has a fan. One has a kitten too young to play. One is a brother, spins his top all day. What did you say? Hey, why am I so small? You guys are just so much bigger than me. You guys are like giants. Polly wants a cracker. Polly lost her happy home. Oh, quack, where's my home? Quack, who are these weirdos? Weirdo. Hey, we're not weirdos. How dare you say that? How I wish that dear little bird were mine, said Flop, looking up from her plate. Though I've just had milk, I could easily dine off it or its speckled brown mate. Meow, meow. Quack, quack. Why was I born? I don't know. How nice to talk. How nice to take a walk and push my downy toy. Tell me they walk and push one too. When he's a big boy. Or girl or cat. Meow. Hey. Is one of you gonna grow up to become Peter Pap? Peter Quack? Peter Pan Meow? Peter Pan? Peter Pack? Peter Poo Poo? Pepper? Mommy, stop making up stuff. You're trying to quacky. Trying to make a quack. Wait, we're not ducks. Wait a minute. Kittens amuse things. Ooh. The man who does. Rick Saw thinks it's heavy today. The lady wonders who can make him sour on the way. Sour? I mean slower in the way. But the kitten's on the path. She's the one who wants to hang. Not a little old cod who is getting a free ride. And you get a ride. What? This is not Oprah. Are you Oprah? I am Oprah. Reincarnated into a cat. Oh my. Man, don't repopulate and depopulate us like Bill Gates. What? Oh, you'll be punished. Meow, 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 meow. Who's that cat in the toaster flying through a rainbow? One day, 3 wee kittens, for all they were, tried to climb up to the dining room table. They pulled much too hard, and alas, down tumbled one kitten, a spoon in a glass. Then the 3 little pussies scampered away. Grabbed another pussy, said Trump. Thinking they didn't quite enough for one day. Whoa, tumbling, toopling, dabbling. Read by Oatmeal Jr. That's right. 2018, January 20, almost 10 a.m. in Shelton, Washington. That's right. Where's my name? Don't have it. Good luck. Read this yesterday too. Made another video yesterday, but doing it again. Yeah, bye-bye. End of the video.